Sports on Air.
Last 2 minutes. Brought to us by Tag Heuer. Don't crack under pressure. Bobby Johnson. Blocking foul on number 5, Bobby Johnson. That's his third. First team foul in under the last 2 minutes for Colombian G. All players please proceed to the shaded area in front of your respective benches. All teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum. Timeout, Colombian team. Ladies and gentlemen, there will be a review of that last out-of-bounds play.
Babalik pa naman no? Ilang makasunod.
Timeout, Colombian G. Foul is on number 29, Norbert Torres. That's his third, first team foul in under the last 2 minutes for Ragershine. Timeout, Ragershine on my stop here. Foul is on number 7, CJ Perez, penalty. That's his third foul. Shooting 2, Joe Wright. Substitutions, Bing Examiniano for Mark Corporal. Happy All-State for Mervin Flores. Foul on number 10, Andres Kahilig,
Thank
penalty.
you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.